guys, it's your girl Elle and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a kitchen makeover slash pantry. So I'm going to be doing my kitchen over, putting in some decor. Right now it has the bare minimum, a candle here, a cookie jar there, and my pantry, it's going to get a total rehaul. I'm going to take everything out, make sure it's nice and clean, put some nice containers in, do some organizing. So for today, I shopped at Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. So the plant pot, the planter with the leaf on it, that came from Hobby Lobby. That pot vase looking thing came from Ross. That was one of the hauls that I did recently, that it was left over from one of the hauls that I did. And then there's some utensil holders, the pantry sign that I may use or may not use because it may be too big, but I have another alternative. There's the rug. It's a nice fluffy shag rug, so when you're washing dishes, your feet are padded. And then that basin or container, I should say, that goes in the pantry as well. And there's some containers there for the pantry, some baskets, and a towel. So the container I got from Home Goods, the rug came from Burlington, the tray came from Burlington, that rug over there came from Ross, that planter, which I probably won't use, it ends up in all my videos for some reason, that came from Ross as well. The gold planters right there came from Ross. I'm not sure, Home Goods. I'm not sure if they're gonna stay or not, but, and the utensil holders came from Home Goods. And the towel there, that print came from Home Goods. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use everything here. Okay, so for the pantry, I took everything out. Everything. Yep, and I needed a focal point, so I started to put some things back in. As you can see, I have these baskets here that says pantry, and each basket is separated by category. So this here would be for breakfast, syrup, honey, some seasoning, and what else is in there? Chocolate syrup, jelly, and these are all, of course, unopened except for the syrup. But yeah, so I separated baskets by category, and there's one over here, and I'm doing the seasoning on top, and I just put a little picture there that I got from Big Lots. This was, I think, $10 behind there for just a little bit of decor. However, I'm not sure if it's gonna stay. I just have to see. I'm kind of not feeling the color coordination, but we will see. So these baskets, I did line them with some plastic, these things here. I lined it with these, so in case they get dirty. And they're really pretty. They come with those handles on the side, and I got these from At Home. And they were about maybe $13.99, ranging from $8.99 to $13.99 for the bigger ones. So there's small, medium, and large. So I'm just gonna go jump right in and finish it out, and then come back and show you the finished results. Okay guys, so the pantry is done, and I decided to make this a two-part series in terms of the kitchen and pantry makeover, because after doing the pantry, I am pooped out and I have to complete the kitchen later. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be complete with the kitchen. So right now, let me just take you through the pantry makeover. And as you can see, the door had nothing on it before. The word pantry wasn't there. And I bought a big lettering to put over it that said pantry, but it didn't fit. So I had to come up with an alternative, and that was just to put a decal that says pantry on it. So it works. I think it's cute. And let's see. Let's go into the pantry, guys. So this is the pantry. Looks empty, right? It looks so clean and not cluttered at all. I can see everything, believe it or not. There's a lot of stuff in here, even though it doesn't look like a lot. So in these baskets here, the baskets that says pantry, I have all of the breakfast stuff, and then I have canned goods in that one at the bottom. I have my flour, sugar, oil, and baking needs there. And then I have any extra or stored condiments and my spaghetti sauce. They all fit in that basket. And then I have some water, and this is my go-to. Usually in the morning, I grab a bottle of water and I grab a granola bar. And then for cooking, there's pasta there. And then those jars up there, I use that jar to hide the goodies if needed. Those jars, I can use them for that. And then those bowls down there are for the leftover food. So when you finish cooking, I put them in those leftover dishes. And then the basin, this is what I did with the basin. I used it to put water in it. So the water is just not laying on the floor and it looks decent. And yeah, there's a little rug, so when you walk in, you have your feet padded. And yeah, so this is the pantry. And I'll put in the link where I got everything from and all the seasonings, the mason jars, the canisters, and even those plants up there. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 for the kitchen makeover. The grand finale will be coming up soon, and I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. Take care. See you soon.